Good morning. I am Vivek Reshmi. Today we discuss the concept called number system, which comes under digital electronics subject. Today we'll see what do we mean by the number system and types of number systems. So number system, it is a nothing but used to represent the magnitude of a quantity. It is used to represent the magnitude of a quantity, or it is used to represent the numbers in a number system. Okay, and there are four types of number system. So one is binary number system, and a decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. We'll see one by one number systems. So first one is binary number system. Binary number system. What do you mean by binary number system? So number system which has a base or radix value of 2 is called as a binary number system. Right? So binary number system which has a base or radix value of 2. Okay? Base or radix value means it represents the numbers in the number system. Okay, for example, 0 and 1. 0 and 1, these are the binary numbers. These are the binary numbers. So base 2 is radix value. We can call it as a radix value or base value. Radix or base value. In this number system, it consists only two numbers. One is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. You must declare 2 as a base or radix value. This 2 represents the binary number system. Okay? And next we'll see decimal number system. What is decimal number system? Decimal number system. In general, we are using this decimal number system in daily life. Okay. Second one is decimal number system. In this decimal number system, it has 9 digits, 0 to 9 digits, and the base or radix value for this decimal number system is 10. Okay, it consists 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 0 to 9 digits. In this decimal number system, the numbers are 0 to 9. Okay. And for example, for a decimal number system, so example is 4, 5, 6, base value is 10. Base or radix value is 10. Base or radix value is 10. This 10 represents the decimal number system. This 10 represents decimal number system. Okay? Decimal number system means it has 0 to 9 numbers, and the base value for decimal number system is 10. Right? Radix or base value is 10. You have to represent the 10 as a base or radix value. Okay? And then is octal number system. Third one is octal number system. Octal number represents, octal means 8. Okay? Octal number system system, it has 0 to 7 numbers. 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 to 7 numbers in the octal number system. You have to represent 8 as a base or radix value for octal number system. For example, 123 to the base 8. 8 represents what? Base or radix value. 8 represents base or radix value for octal number system. Okay? Octal number system represents, it has 0 to 7 numbers and 8 is the base or radix value for this octal number system. Okay? Right. And then last one is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Fourth one is hexadecimal number system. Hexa means total 16 numbers. Hexa means 16 numbers. This decimal number system consists up to 0 to 15 numbers. 0 to 15 numbers. Here 16 is the base or radix value. Here 16 is the base or radix value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9. And for 10 we are using alphabetical character card A, for 11 B, for 12 C, for 13 D, for 14 E, for 15 F. These are the numbers comes under hexadecimal number system. 0 to 15. Right? From 10 numbers we are using alphabetical character. For 10 we are using A, for 15 we are using F. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We'll see the example. 3AC 16. 16 represents what? This is the base or radix value. Base or radix value. This 16 represents the base or radix value for this hexadecimal number system. This is the example 3AC. 3A represents 10 and C represents 30. Okay? In this way, we have seen different types of number systems. In the next class, we'll see the conversions from one number system to another number system. I think if you understood this concept, please subscribe to my channel and share as well. Thank you so much.